Currently we are doing blast water discharging, and we have Alfa Laval PureBallast system on board. So what exactly is happening here, that first of all we will go and do our lineup. For example, in that case I have opened my two valves, that is, this is my 5-port ballast tank and this is 5-starboard ballast tank. So I have opened the inlet or you can say section valve of ballast tank port side, starboard side, and then connected it to the ballast pump, and from the ballast pump I have connected it directly to the discharge overboard. After doing this lineup, what you have to do is that you have to go to your PureBallast panel, and from here, as you can see, there are already deballasting is running, that's why I cannot touch now, but you have to press this deballast button. After this deballasting button, whole lineup will be automatically done by the system. As there you can see that the water is coming from here, it is bypassing the filter as it is deballasting, and it is going to the UV reactor, and from the UV reactor to the outside. So basically, after the system gets used to and the valves are already all open and the cooling of the UVR is started, it gives you a command on itself that start the ballast pump. As my ballast pump is now running, you can see that starboard side ballast pump is running. This is a Framo system. So after that, you will see that this current flow will start. If this flow is less than 200, it will always get the system stop. So always remember that it should be more than 200 within 2 minutes, otherwise the system will stop. Here you can see I have this certified flow is 1000, we can increase it to 2000. Then we have how much volume is processed, then we have power consumptions, and this is the simple lineup. If you want to see the UV reactors, for example, only my one UV reactor is running, number 2. So you can see the valves are on, the water is coming, the temperature is 9.5 degrees Celsius. So all information is showing here. You can also check here, this UVR1 is right now is not in use, so it is not getting on. So if UVR1 does not perform, the UVR2 will start. So basically this is how you do deblast operation. So there are different 2-3 operations. You do ballasting, deballasting, then you have strip option, stripping option, then you have sip. Sip is the cleaning progress of this UV reactors and filter. That I will explain in some other video. So if you have any doubt about this video, you can drop in the comment section your doubt and I will clear it.